In this video, we are going to install the PSQL v12 Workgroup Engine to a Windows 8 machine. We've already downloaded the PSQL Workgroup installation file, so we're simply going to double-click on it and start the process. First thing that comes up is the self-extractor. We click the unzip button and allow it to unzip into the normal location. We are going to use some tricks to speed up this video by cutting out some of the more boring parts. We get the unzip successfully, we click OK, and continue on to the installation dialog. Click the Install v12 Workgroup Edition button and it will start the installer process. When the installer starts, we just need to wait for the install shield to get initialized and then we click Next. We accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. We then have a question, do we want to run as a service or run as an application? Running as a service is the default and it's the recommended setting for most sites. If you do want to run as an application, you can select Run as an Application radio button instead. One of the reasons you may want to do this is if you are running a standalone environment and you do not want the database engine running all the time. Another reason to run as an application is working with a database that's on a NAS or network attached storage unit and not stored on the local drive or on the database server. So we select the option we'd like to use and click Next, and then select the complete install. The install button then begins the actual installation process of copying the files over. Again, we're going to use some tricks here to speed this up a little bit. At this point, the database for demo data is being created and populated. And we are now done. We click the Finish button to dismiss the dialog box. It will bring up the Actian registration screen, which we can close. Obviously, you'll want to register your product with them if you have a permanent license. And then we click Exit to close the installer. Now we would like to verify that the engine is installed correctly. We'll do this by accessing the demo data database from the PSQL Control Center. Press the Start button, then type in PCC for PSQL Control Center, and double-click the item here. The Pervasive Control Center window will open up and allow us to drill down into the databases, see the demo data database, drill down into tables, and indeed we can even double click on one of the tables and verify that everything is populated and functioning correctly. At this point, the database engine is installed and ready to go. If you have a license, you can go right to the license administrator under the Tools button, select License Administrator, and put in your license. But that's a subject for another video.